guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Daisy Avenue. And yes, it's noisy and a lot is happening. We are trying to connect into the sewer line. Now, hang on a second, Chu. What's going on here is this is our sewer connection down in here. This is at the complete opposite end of the building on where we're doing the 2 garage conversion ADUs. So basically, hang on one second here. I'll show you. We have almost 200 feet from the front of the building all the way around. We've already got this all inspected. Here, right here, you see that pipe. That's our sewer line connection. Now we got to come around, and you see where we're jackhammering, and this is going. Yes, the poop is going uphill, but we have a pump on the other side that's going to pump that poop all the way to this side. So this is nice and short and sweet. We did all the excavation on that side of the building. Now, because this is on a public side in an alley, now we're doing this side of the excavation. So guys, multi-tenant ADU subterranean, trust me, stay away from them, but we can do them for you. Any questions about multi-tenant ADUs, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Guys, thank you for watching our videos and subscribing to our channel. DJ, the ADU Pro.